Okay, we're back for another short video, and what I wanted to show you on this video is I wanted to take you from a load delivered to billing a load again, and this time adding images to it, so that way you can have a nice image file associated with the load. So I've entered a load, and it's this load right here. It's going to Saddle Creek in Atlanta, and it delivers on the 11th at 8 a.m. And we'll go into the load, and as you can see, it's all been properly set up. It's got the all the pertinent information. The routing and the stops have been taken care of. The IFTA has been calculated. It's been dispatched to this awesome driver, Donald Paysor. And so now we're going to deliver the load and bill it and attach the images to it. So we just simply, to deliver the load, just check on the box, delivered. It's done, over. We close it out. And then when we go over to loads delivered but not billed, as you can see, there's the load waiting to be billed. So we'll choose the order. And now we're going to bill the load. So I'm going to approve it. I'm going to invoice it, 10-10-2018. And now, here's where I want to show you. From this screen, as you can see, right here are the images, and there are no images loaded. What this is, it's the ability to add the images to a database so they're always stored and associated with that particular image. So basically, there's a file on the server, and it's called stored images. Right there it is. When you receive an image, either a PDF from a broker or when the driver faxes it in as an attachment, you just basically open up, you take the attachment from your local machine as you received it, and you copy it and you just paste it right into the stored images file. It's that simple. Then you simply rename the image to the load number. So for instance, this is order number 6, and that's the POD. This is order number 6, and this is the rate confirmation. And so to attach these images, you simply double click on the paper clip, and you click on add, and then we're going to go to stored images, and there's the rate confirmation. We'll attach it, and then we'll attach the POD, and we'll say OK. Now there are 2 images attached to the load. So now we're going to finish billing it. We'll print the invoice, and then we'll create a PDF. Now once I've created that PDF, don't have to open it, but we're just going to go back to the load images function, and as you can see, there's the invoice for load number 6. We're going to attach it. So now that this is completed, here's the benefit from having this. First of all, the person that handles your billing has got the invoice at their fingertips with no effort. They've got the customers. Oops, may have done something wrong. They got the customers. Let's see here. They have the customer's rate confirmation at their fingertips, and then they got the invoice at their fingertips. So those are the images. All they have to do is print them, or you can email them and create a file to present to your factoring company. It's just that simple.